Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gmail templates and tracking in HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Gmail templates in HubSpot, first, log into your HubSpot. Navigate to your inbox by selecting the Conversations tab from the main menu. Click on Inbox to access your emails. From your inbox, locate the Templates option on the left sidebar. Select Templates to start creating a new email template. Click on Create Template in the top right corner. In the template editor, input a name for your new template. Compose your email content in the editor area. You can personalize your template using HubSpot tokens. To insert a token, click on the Personalize button. Choose the token you wish to add, like the recipient's name. Once your template is ready, click Save at the bottom of the page. Now that the template is saved, you can access it anytime from your inbox. To use the template in an email, create a new email from the inbox. Select Templates in the Email Composer. Choose your saved template from the list that appears. Review the details of the template to ensure accuracy. Add any necessary changes to personalize the email for the recipient. Now, let's move on to configuring email tracking in HubSpot. In the top right corner of your email composer, locate and enable the tracking option. Make sure both track opens and track clicks are selected. When you send your email, HubSpot will track engagement. You can view the tracking data in the HubSpot dashboard under Email. To see detailed metrics, navigate to Reports in the main menu. Select Email under the Reports section to analyze performance. You have successfully configured Gmail templates and tracking in HubSpot. Now you can streamline your email process and analyze engagement effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.